Hello everyone, there is an important update for you all. There is some confusion about the correction. Some students are asking, they are messaging me that they are not getting how to do the correction. That's why I am recording this video. Just see this, you have to go to the website, that is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. You can see the website ugcnet.nta.nic.in. This is the website, or directly you can search in the Google also and come to this website, and you can see the link is here, the correction of application link. So just click on this link, and you have to log in with your application number and the password, and after giving the application number and password, this type of window will show that you have to correct everything. Okay, that the application status will be shown, and please download the confirmation page. You have to download the confirmation page. From here, click on this download the confirmation page. Check one by one all the fields, not only the photo. There is a good option this year, because you can correct all the field. Okay, and if there is any thing required that you have to edit, you have to correct, so then you can go to this correction in application form. So this is the link. Here it will be visible to you. Just click on this link and your total form will be visible to you. And if there is needed any correction, any place, any subject, anything you want to correct, the total form you can correct. This is the good option for this year. And especially there are some confusion for the images. So you can see with the reference of public notice regarding the photograph, they need the clear photograph, right? So you have to take your photograph, that should not be black and white, it should be colored image. And your face, there should be, it is actually you have to take the photo in totally focusing on the face, not side face is not allowed. Okay, and ear clearly visible. Here you can see 80% face coverage, and there they have clearly mentioned some point. You have to know that what are the point, that upload scan image candidate latest, that should be latest, मतलब 2 साल 3 साल का पुराना नहीं होना चाहिए. And passport size photograph size should be 10 KB and 200 KB. So 10 KB से 200 KB के अंदर नहीं है तो वो अपलोड नहीं होता है. And photograph must be taken after A19/2009. So it is not exactly, अगर आपका ऐसा है कि आपका अगस्त में हो रहा है तो फिर भी वो चलेगा, बट try it for the latest photograph, and preferably indicate the clearly name and candidate along with the date. तो आपका name and date mention करना, they are preferring this. Okay, this is not mandatory. Some students are confused about this. They are preferring this. अगर ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपलोड नहीं किए, आप अब जब अपलोड किए हैं उस टाइम आप नेम और डेट मेंशन नहीं किए हैं, तो आई थिंक इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाला है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेब डेवलपमेंट, एंड आई नो दैट कि आफ्टर अपलोडिंग द फोटो, they are not bothered about the name and what is the name of the photograph when you are uploading it. They are changing the name somehow sometimes. So I think that is not the issue कि आपका अगर name and photograph का क्या उसमें date था नहीं था, वो कोई issue नहीं होगा. Just आपको focus करना है कि is it clear, is it visible, and your 80% face coverage is there or not, the photograph is clear or not, clear clarity is there or not, it is colored or not, and spectacles are not allowed if you are not using regularly. मतलब कोई ऐसा है कि गॉगल्स पर के पहन के आप फोटो ऐसा मत दीजिए, ठीक है. एंड पोलराइड दैट कंप्यूटर जनरेटेड, अगर ऐसा है कि आप कंप्यूटर से जनरेट किए हुआ इमेज दे रहे, दैट इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. एंड एप्लीकेशन नॉट कंप्लीट दैट इंस्ट्रक्शन. अनक्लियर फोटोग्राफ, अनक्लियर नहीं होना चाहिए, हेजी नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड एप्लीकेशन विदाउट फोटोग्राफ, अगर आपका एप्लीकेशन में आप फोटोग्राफ नहीं दिए हैं, आई डोंट नो, अगर एप्लीकेशन में फोटोग्राफ नहीं है तो दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू सबमिट दैट फोटो. स्टिल अगर आपका एप्लीकेशन में फ़ोटो नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज़ डाउनलोड करो. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू कि फर्स्ट आपका कंफर्मेशन पेज, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डाउनलोड द कंफर्मेशन पेज एंड यू हैव टू चेक ऑल द फील्ड. इफ़ in the download, if after downloading you can see your photograph is there and it is clear and there is no problem, then it's okay. Okay, no, don't panic. So some students are doing panic, so don't panic about that. There is no issue. Okay, no problem. And candidate must note the photograph uploaded to be found, that is आपका जो भी है कि अपना फ़ोटो ही होना चाहिए. ये तो ज़रूरी है ना कि आप एग्ज़ाम में जा रहे हो दूसरे का फ़ोटो लगा रहे हो, दैट इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. So this was about the update, and just do the correction because this is very very important. क्योंकि सर्वर कभी भी हैंग कर जाते हैं, सर्वर में इशू आते हैं. सो जस्ट नाउ गो टू द वेबसाइट, check it, do the correction, and exam is coming soon. You can see the everything process is going on. So the form fill up is already over, now they are doing the correction. So after correction definitely admit will come. So prepare yourself and prepare yourself with Unify Study. This is my channel. So here you can get all the latest updates. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update. I am taking the paper 1. I am giving you the some tricks and for the how to clear the UGC NET, and I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. So I think I can guide you. And here you can see some playlist is there, and I am taking the live classes also. You can see there is a playlist for DI. The DI classes is going on for every day. DI, we are doing DI practice around 4 p.m. So please follow me. And actually my paper 2 subject is computer science, that's why I am taking the computer science also. Free class, live class is going on in the 9:30 p.m. So I have created some playlists. Take the playlist. There are the playlists for software engineering, and the practice session, that is TOC practice session already done. Now we are doing the DBMS practice session in 2000 from all the previous year's question with GATE and NET. We are doing with concept from the basic. So please follow me and share with your friend. This will be helpful for you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the latest update. Have a good day. Bye.